Hey, this is Alex with your Realtor Tip of the Day, and today I'm talking to home buyers. And what I want to talk about is getting yourself ready to purchase a property, getting yourself ready to get out in the market and start looking at property. And the first step that I like to see a client go through is to go to their bank, financial institution, whatever it is, and obtain a pre-approval letter. So what is a pre-approval letter? Well, when you go in to apply for a mortgage, you fill out a 1004 loan application and you give them all their information. Along with that, you give them authorization to pull your credit, and at that point, once they have your credit and your application, you're pre-qualified. Pre-qualification's fine. I like to take it to the pre-approval stage because at the pre-approval stage, you have verified all the information on the application by providing them with necessary documentation so that they can run your loan application through an automated approval process, and at that point you have a pre-approval letter that they're able to produce. Within the letter it tells you the type of loan that you're qualified for, the purchase price, the loan amount, and then that will allow them to tell you what kind of payment you can expect to have. Once I have this information, I take it and calculate that into the various properties that we're looking at, because we have to pay attention not only to property taxes but to Melrose, HOA, and different fees that may be reoccurring with the property. That way we keep the payment within that realistic expectation for what's been quoted to you. So I like to get the letter of pre-approval. Along with that, I also need proof of funds. This is a deposit account balance summary, and ideally this is what I'm looking for. A lot of times I'll have clients come to me with a screenshot of their account online. Not really what I'm looking for. I've used it, it works, but at some point we will need something more. I've also had people submit bank statements to me that are 9 pages long that shows me all their ATM withdrawals, deposits, debit card transactions. Yeah, I don't need that. I would rather just have a deposit account balance summary. So those two documents I always submit with an offer to show that we have the financial wherewithal to purchase the property. It's customary in our market, and I believe in most markets it is. So that's a pre-approval letter and proof of funds. And then along with this, I go just a step further and I get a letter from you just saying, hey, this is who we are. This is why we want to buy the house. Please sell us your house. We need a letter, I call it a letter from the heart. In this market, especially in the lower price category of houses, because there's so much competition to purchase those homes. So if you're getting ready to buy a house, go in, get pre-approved, get your proof of funds lined up, put together a letter, and that's really the first step. I have banks, I have lenders that I deal with. A lot of times with a letter, I'll get it in and I just rewrite it more specific to what we're looking for. So I hope this is helpful. If you like this content and want to see more of it, please share it and give me a like. And if you're getting ready to buy a house and are looking for a realtor to represent you, please give me a call.